Something is passing through our solar system right now. It doesn't belong here. It came from a star we've never seen, a star that may not even exist anymore. And in a few months, it will be gone forever. This is the story of 3I Atlas, the most mysterious visitor our solar system has ever received. On July 1st, 2025, a telescope in the Chilean desert picked up something strange. A small, fast-moving speck of light, crossing the sky at a speed that made no sense. Normal comets, the ones born in our solar system, follow predictable paths. They orbit the sun. They come and go, but they stay. This one was just passing through. Within 24 hours, astronomers around the world confirmed it. This object did not come from our solar system. It was an interstellar comet, a frozen traveller from another star system entirely. They named it 3I Atlas. The 3I stands for third interstellar object ever detected by humanity. Let that sink in. In all of human history, thousands of years of looking at the sky, we have only ever confirmed 3 objects from outside our solar system. And one of them is here, right now. So what exactly is 3I Atlas? On the surface, it looks like a comet, a dirty snowball of ice and dust. But when scientists pointed their best telescopes at it, they found something deeply strange. The water inside 3I Atlas is wrong. I know that sounds odd. Water is water, right? H2O? Not exactly. Water molecules come in slightly different versions, called isotopes. The ratio of these isotopes acts like a fingerprint. It tells you where the water formed. Every comet in our solar system has a specific isotope ratio, shaped by the conditions around our sun billions of years ago. 3I Atlas has a completely different ratio, one scientists have never seen before. This water didn't form near our sun. It formed somewhere else, around a completely different star, with completely different chemistry. It's alien water, literally.
When we look at the isotopic signature of this object, it's completely off the charts. It's like finding a rock on Earth that doesn't share any Earth chemistry. It forces us to redefine what we know about planetary formation entirely.
But that's not even the strangest part. Scientists estimate that 3I Atlas is approximately 12 billion years old. Our Sun is only 4.6 billion years old. The Earth doesn't even exist for half the life of this comet. The star it came from, wherever that was, formed in the early universe, when galaxies were young and the cosmos looked nothing like today. That star may have burned out billions of years ago. It may no longer exist. And yet, here is a piece of it, gliding silently through our solar system in 2026. When 3I Atlas was confirmed, it triggered one of the most coordinated scientific responses in modern astronomy. Hubble pointed at it. James Webb pointed at it. NASA's TESS spacecraft, which normally hunts for planets around other stars, was redirected to observe it. Even spacecraft, already flying through the solar system, were called into action. The Europa Clipper, on its way to Jupiter. The JUICE mission, from the European Space Agency. NASA's Mars orbiters. Everyone wanted a piece of this thing. And what they found kept getting stranger. The comet is bursting with methanol, a chemical compound that hints at the cold, dark chemistry of interstellar space. Its shape is unusual. Hubble revealed it has a teardrop-shaped cocoon of dust surrounding its icy core, unlike anything we typically see. And its speed? Extraordinary. It was moving so fast when first spotted that scientists immediately knew it couldn't be gravitationally bound to our sun. It came in fast. And it's heading back out just as fast, never to return. Biff. Here's where things get uncomfortable. When 3I Atlas was first spotted, a Harvard astrophysicist raised an idea that set the internet on fire. What if it isn't a natural object? Now, before you close this video, hear me out. This isn't conspiracy theory. This is a serious scientific question discussed in peer-reviewed papers. The argument goes like this. The universe is 13.8 billion years old. If intelligent civilizations have existed for even a fraction of that time, some of them had billions of years to develop technology we can't imagine. Sending small probes through the galaxy carried by stellar winds or magnetic fields would be theoretically possible.
We have to remain open-minded. If nature didn't build this specific trajectory and composition, then we are scientifically forced to look at artificial possibilities. The data doesn't lie, but our preconceptions might.
The overwhelming consensus is it's a natural comet. Absolutely. But the fact that the question is being asked seriously by credentialed scientists at top universities tells you something about just how unusual this object is. Nature made something so bizarre that humans looked at it and said, could someone have built this? Think about that. As of now, 3I Atlas has passed Jupiter and is heading toward the outer solar system. It will never come back. Unlike comets from our own Oort cloud, which return every few thousand years, 3I Atlas is moving too fast to be captured by the sun's gravity. It's just visiting. Scientists are racing to observe it for as long as possible. Every piece of data collected now is irreplaceable, because once it's gone forever. There are even proposals, serious ones, to launch a spacecraft to intercept it before it leaves the solar system entirely. The math is brutal. The window is short, but it's not impossible. Imagine a mission to the first alien object humanity ever physically touched. The mission doesn't exist yet, but the idea does. And in science, ideas have a way of becoming reality. 3I Atlas is a message in a bottle from the ancient universe. It didn't come here on purpose. It has no destination. It's simply following the laws of physics, drifting through the dark for billions of years until, by pure chance, it passed close enough to a small rocky planet where creatures had just invented telescopes. And we saw it. We studied it. We argued about it. We marveled at it. In the grand scale of the cosmos, that is extraordinary. The universe is 13.8 billion years old. Most of it has been silent and empty and cold. But in this tiny sliver of time, on this tiny planet, we looked up. And we noticed. Maybe that's what makes us special. Not that we are the only life in the universe, but that we are the kind of life that looks. What do you think 3I Atlas is? A natural comet? An alien probe? Or something we don't have a category for yet? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every single one. And if this video made you see the universe a little differently, subscribe. Because this is only the beginning.